for last 7 or 8 years, there are no student election.
All right.
So
who has to conduct the election?
The state
The
will
conduct
the state will give direction, and after that the universities, all the universities
conduct.
the universities, but after getting the permission from the state. Lordship, I have connected with the Bardhaman University, the students of Bardhaman University, student of Calcutta University, student of Kollan University, student of North Bengal University. I have asked them repeatedly whether you have a anti-ragging committee or not. They have said that no anti-ragging committee was there. Only after filing this PIL, some of the college and some of the universities, they have formed anti-ragging committee, but they have not include all those representatives there, your lordship.
The elections to the student union shall be conducted after observing all formalities, as we are informed that an approval is required from the state government before elections are permitted to be conducted.
Probably this one is the best gift to all the educational institution on the Teachers' Day, your lordship. Lordship, may I please just one thing, your lordship?
Yes.
Just for 1 minute, your lordship. Just two things. Kindly come into page number 39 for once, your lordship.
39.
Just for once.
Yes.
39, your lordship. It's a recommendation made by the R.K. Raghavan committee, your lordship. It was constituted by the Supreme Court, your lordship. And later on, the UGC sent a letter to all the universities to implement all those recommendations since 2007. Though I was a student of law from 2012 to 2017, I have seen nothing in my college or my university. I have seen nothing, your lordship. Kindly come once to page number 39, 5.17, your lordship.
Yes.
Why this paragraph is very much important, your lordship. On the last occasion, your lordship directs on the item number 4 to implement the student union. Now, the motto to implement the student union is to heart the voice of the students, your lordship.
Yes.
May I submit, for the last year, the student union election was conducted in the year 2017. Not after that, no student union election has been conducted by the state, number one. In the year 2020, the student union election was conducted in Jadavpur University and Presidency. Why I am saying so, your lordship? Shall I read, your lordship, for just one paragraph?
Please.
The committee agrees with the views expressed by the student leaders of the various ideological affiliations with whom it interacted that thriving and active students association of comprising of genuinely enrolled students helps in minimizing incident of ragging, as such competing student group during election to the student body would have a vested interest in protecting target of freshers voters from being subjected to ragging by others. As a matter of fact, it is repeatedly brought to the notice of the committee that one of the reasons for engineering and medical or professional colleges being highly ragging prone is due to absence of genuine student election activity. Lordship, I pause here, your lordship, for a moment. For last 7 or 8 years, there are no student election.
All right.
So,
who has to conduct the election?
The state. The state will
conduct
the state will give direction, and after that the universities, all the universities
conduct.
the universities, but after getting the permission from the state. And on the last 3 lines, your lordship, that is very much important.
Yes.
Although much can be said in this regard, including the evidence that the ragging has slowly spread to other types of institution as well, we recommend the reforms in student body election approved by the Honorable Supreme Court on the basis of the recommendation of J.M. Lodha Committee in the year 2005, your lordship, should be implemented expeditiously, and the students' union election must be held within 15 days of the beginning of academic session. This will undermine the nexus reported in some places between campus politics and ragging. There was a specific direction in this regard. Since 2017, no election was there. And what I have find out, your lordship, from the recommendation, that there was a program for the awareness, your lordship. No such activity from the state respondent, from the UGC, from any of the college, or from the higher education department, government of West Bengal. I have never seen any kind of awareness, any kind of advertisement. Only after filing this writ petition, I have seen one poster is there in the Red Road, and I have heard only 2 advertisement in the radio station, your lordship. And moreover, your lordship, there is a specific direction for the in the same page number 39, 5.18, the anti-ragging committee. Lordship,
Yes.
got?
Yes.
The anti-ragging committee, and there is a specific direction, your lordship, representatives of civil and police administration, local media, non-government organization involved in youth activities, representatives of faculty members, etc., parents, etc., such and such, your lordship. Lordship, I have connected with the Bardhaman University, the students of Bardhaman University, student of Calcutta University, student of Kollan University, student of North Bengal University. I have asked them repeatedly whether you have a anti-ragging committee or not. They have said that no anti-ragging committee was there. Only after filing this PIL, some of the college and some of the universities, they have formed anti-ragging committee, but they have not include all those representatives there, your lordship.
Right. Now, this report which you are reading
Yes, your lordship.
was submitted by the committee constituted by the Honorable Supreme Court in a specially petition 24295.
Yes, your
But
lordship.
the judgment which you have enclosed at page 18, 2009, 7 Supreme Court cases, 726. That was different.
No,
No, it's the same.
Same one.
that is
Yes,
the same.
Some of the recommendations, my lord, were directed to be implemented. And my lord, that did not include, your lordship will find, my lord, with regard to the election. My lord, which my learned friend.
Lordship,
My lord.
may I place
No, the Supreme Court did not direct implementation.
My lord, no, yes, my lord, it's given, my lord, which, my lord, clauses. Kindly come to, my lord, of that very brief itself. My lord, annexure P2, page 18.
Page 18.
Page 18, paragraph 2, my lord, at page 19. Lordship has that, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the decision starts at page 18. Kindly come to para 19, my lord. Keeping in mind the recent incidents of ragging which have surfaced and which have been dealt with by this court, it becomes necessary that the following recommendations made by the Raghavan committee be implemented immediately, namely. My lord, these are there. My lord, immediate, my lord,
Point
implement.
1.7.
But it's not the, there wasn't a direction. But my lord, I am not, my lord, I feel Raghavan committee, my lord, should, my lord, be implemented. We've had elections.
All right. Probably in the affidavit,
Yeah.
you can also say as to what are the directions the state is going to
Yes,
issue
my
to the various.
my lord, several of these, my lord, have to be conducted, my lord, by the university.
Correct.
So, my lord,
But a directive
so,
can-
my lord, the university, my lord, should actually, my lord, seek, my lord, the permission, my lord, of the state, my lord, to, my lord, conduct it. If they need any assistance, my lord, of course, it will
So
be
what you
provided.
can do is you can address the universities
Correct.
saying that within what time frame the election need to be conducted.
Yes.
And whatever is the requisition they'll have to make,
Yeah.
that can be done. And this, you can also send a circular regarding this
My
anti-ragging.
lord, that is very important because, my lord, on the first day when your lordships, my lord, took it up, my lord, your lordships identified 4 issues. My lord, one was, my lord, lighting. Second was, my lord, CCTV cameras. Third, my lord, was anti-ragging. And the fourth, my lord, I had noted, my lord, in my separate hostels, my lord, year-wise.
Year-wise.
My lord, these were the 4. So your lordships actually wanted to know, my lord, as far as Jadavpur University is concerned, my lord, where the pressures are. Are they within, my lord, the university premises or across the road? My lord, that should be indicated to your lordships now, my lord, whether the shifting has happened or not.
Yes.
Because
You file that in affidavit form.
Yes.
Lordship, for
May I
for
submit
just
this?
once, your
No,
lordship,
we are
may,
not hearing the matter today.
lordship, may I place my supplementary affidavit in
What
that?
is it?
No, there's a letter I have annexed to your lordship. That letter peruse kindly.
You give copies to them.
সবাইকে দাও ভাই
Sure, sure,
এরকম করে
sure.
পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি
Sure. Kindly come once to page number 4, your lordship, for once. Lordship, I have download that copy from the UGC website, your lordship. It was a letter in the year 2008, your lordship, given by the UGC to the registered all the universities to implement the whole RK Raghavan committee recommendation, your lordship. It was I have downloaded this letter from their own website, your lordship, and for that reason I have made them a party in my PIL, your lordship. It is only an incident took place. For that reason, probably there is a discussion took place. But your lordship, in the IIM, in the IIT,
But
the
then-
same.
What we find, this is of the year February 2008. The decision of the Supreme Court was on May 2009. But the Honorable Supreme Court did not think appropriate to direct implementation of para 5.17 of the report. Nevertheless, we will find out what is the position.
I am not only on 5.17. I am
You
recommendation of whole, your
You
lordship.
read out 5.17, but the Honorable Supreme Court did not direct implementation of that. They have directed 5.16, 5.18, etc. The learned advocate, the petitioner appearing in person, refers to the report of the committee constituted by the Honorable Supreme Court in SLP 24295 of 2006. And in particular reference to paragraph 5.17 of the said report and 5.17 and 5.18 of the said report. These paragraphs deal with the conduct of elections to the student union and also for constituting anti-ragging committee and anti-ragging squad in each of the universities. It is a submission of the petitioner that in spite of such report being submitted by the committee and in spite of the communication sent by the UGC in February 2008 in letter number F1-8/2006 within bracket CPP all capitals -Roman 2 this year. The recommendations of the committee have not been implemented till date. The petitioner would further state that the last election for the students' union was conducted in the year 2007.
All over the state?
For 2007, and thereafter, no elections have been conducted. The respondent state shall file an affidavit as to whether any directives have been issued to the various universities/institutions in the state of West Bengal regarding timely conduct of the students' union election, and as to whether any directive has been issued to the universities/institutions regarding constitution of the anti-ragging committee and anti-ragging squad. If that has not been done, we would direct the concerned authority of the state government to immediately issue appropriate directions to all institutions and all universities/institutions for conduct of the student union election and forthwith constitution of anti-ragging committee and anti-ragging squad. The elections to the student union shall be conducted after observing all formalities, as we are informed that an approval is required from the state government before elections are permitted to be conducted. The respondent, one second, whether Javadapur University is a party here. Javadapur University. In your intervening application, you have implemented Javadapur University?
Yes, my lord. It is there, my lord. I have filed the affidavit of service, my lord. There are some suggestive prayers if your lordship team might.
The Javadapur University do not party in the writ petition, namely WPA P442 of 2003.
But the registrar is also party.
Respondents in Can 1 of 2023. Therefore, the said university is directed to file their affidavit with regard to all issues which are subject matter of this writ petition. You have served copy on.
Yes, my lord. It has been served.
List the matter on 18th September, 19th September.
19th. Probably this one is the best gift to all the educational institution on the Teachers' Day, your lordship.
Let us see how they go about it.
Yesterday I moved an application.
Hmm.
Sixth.
And what did we do yesterday?
Lordship has to say also be placed along with the other matter on 26th.
Which one?
The one in which the order has now been passed. Mr. Shibamdas matter.
So you want it on 26th?
No, the other matters are also being taken up.
All right, 26th.
26th.
My lord, both
Your matter also will come. Take.